তারা বেঞ্চে বসে আছে। They are sitting on the bench. They are sitting on the bench. তুমি খুব সৃজনশীল। You are very creative. You are very creative. সে একটি ম্যাগাজিন পড়ছে। She is reading a magazine. She is reading a magazine. আমি আমার হোমওয়ার্ক করছি। I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework. তারা কার্টুন দেখছে। They are watching cartoons. They are watching cartoons. আমরা পিৎজা খাচ্ছি। We are eating pizza. We are eating pizza. তুমি খুব চালাক। You are very clever. You are very clever. সে একটি সাইকেল চালাচ্ছে। He is riding a bicycle. He is riding a bicycle. আমরা নদীতে সাঁতার কাটছি। We are swimming in the river. We are swimming in the river. তুমি চা খাচ্ছ। You are drinking tea. You are drinking tea.